Hey guys, welcome back. We begin here at the Jensen Trench and then ending off at the San Joaquin River Viaduct. Here at the Jensen Trench, you can see some concrete has now been poured to then start the ramp for it to go below grade level and then underneath Jensen Avenue. Some excavation is also underway, and in a second you will see some progress is finally occurring again at Church Avenue. East of the SJVR tracks, you can see some progress is now underway for the east abutment wall that'll be there. It's been a long time, and I'm really wondering if they're going to put a set of columns in the middle between those two abutment walls, but only time will tell. Some progress is now underway for the IPB wall prep, which will allow the separation between Union Pacific and high-speed rail lines. You can see some of them just laying around on the ground before they're going to be placed in just a short amount of time. Speaking of IPB walls, pretty much all of them south of Cesar Chavez Blvd are done. You can see some excavation is underway to then connect the two from south of State Route 41 to then north of State Route 41. Cesar Chavez is basically complete. After so many years, striping is done, street lights are done, signage is done, and they are programming the stoplights as I was filming here on Saturday, January 31st. This is great. I think this will open this week. Don't quote me on that. Mono Street was supposed to close on Friday last week, but there was some things going on that probably wasn't under their control, and they're probably waiting for Cesar Chavez to open prior to the permanent road closure of Mono Street. Progress has indeed resumed at the Fresno Trench. As you can see, the sink and drilling pilings that have been there for some time, that was under the shoe fly for the past couple years, have finally been exposed, meaning they're going to excavate it and put the cross beams. Finally, after many years, progress in the southern portion of the Fresno Trench is occurring. At Belmont Avenue, it seems they had some dirt trucks moving around. I'm not too sure because I didn't see any dirt moving, but they wouldn't just have workers there if they're not doing anything. At least I'd hope so. At the northern portion of the Fresno Trench where the ramp starts to go below grade level, there's a little bit of a rectangular portion in between the two sides. If someone could tell me in the comments what that is, that'd be great. Here at the Golden State Boulevard realignment, they were supposed to be shifted and done starting tomorrow, February 2nd, but it's not happened and the road never closed. I don't know what's going on, probably something to do with coordination, but McKinley Avenue has had their same 2 columns poured, 2 abutment walls done for some time now. Here at the Golden State Boulevard realignment just north of Ashland Avenue, you can see guideway work is still underway, but streetlights have gone up on the east portion where obviously traffic will go underneath it. It's good to see because obviously you need to clear the roadway prior to paving, which is important for them to then remove the old Golden State Boulevard and then clear the guideway for high-speed rail tracks in the future. I believe this is the first time I've done this at the Golden State Boulevard realignment, but I did this low ground level shot to try to show how wide the road is compared to a regular vehicle, as that red Chevrolet, who's totally not me, was trying to resemble there. Here at Shaw Avenue, the west abutment wall has been poured with formwork being removed. The second set of columns have been done for some time and still formwork is up for the east abutment and the second set of columns. And it seems like earthwork is underway for the west side embankment, which is good to see. At first glance, you would think, oh, the Herndon Avenue bypass has looked the same for months, until you go to the west portion near the Hampton Suites, where striping is now underway for the bypass. Yes, this is a temporary portion, but it is still good, meaning they probably have decided a coordination date to shift the road and connect the shoe fly for Union Pacific lines. I'm assuming the delays have been due to Union Pacific, but I will try to confirm this for you guys on February 5th, where there's a community meeting for Herndon Avenue for the future construction. And on that note, thank you guys for watching. I hope you all enjoyed. I'm officially, I think, recovered from the flu, so hopefully the upload schedule will stay consistent again. And on that note, hope you all enjoyed. Bye, guys.